Hi, thanks for checking in. One of the themes that has been showing up a lot in the past few days has been around um, being positive and not wanting to be negative, and also being critical of yourself. And it seems to be getting oddly both intense and less conscious. So what I mean by that is the the pressure and the judgment is very intense, and the conscious awareness that maybe that's not accurate, or maybe it's not true, or maybe it's not in alignment with your greatest good is less conscious, and there's less awareness about that. And so I wanted to jump on here today because this is the last day of the a special offering where you can get 3 sessions at a discounted rate. And the information for that is you can click on the link beneath here and you'll be able to buy into that if you want to. There's discounted rates on single sessions as well as the packages. But the awareness that right now is particularly crunchy. And by crunchy, I mean it can be discomforting. It can be uncomfortable. And we have a lot of programming that says that if it's uncomfortable, you must be doing it wrong, or you mustn't be doing it right, or you must be off track. And sometimes being uncomfortable is exactly the sign that you are growing and that you are becoming more aware. There's that old phrase about 1 step forward and 2 steps back. And the implication in the way that's used is that you are losing ground or you're backtracking. And one of the things that I've noticed in so many of you is that you're actually making really great progress, but your awareness is such that you're misidentifying it. So sometimes when we're growing and changing, we are making the changes, we're doing the choices, we're taking the action steps, and our discomfort rises because we're becoming more conscious of the stuff that we used to spend a lot of time and energy being unconscious about. Oh, that's not happening, pretending it's not there. And as you're making the steps towards your own healing, towards your own thriving, you're becoming aware of the stuff that you had kind of hidden beneath the carpet, so to speak. And this is a great reason for the to buy into the specials that I've created, because this is a really potent time. And if you've been listening to me for a while, you know that now is the moment of most power. And if there is a discomfort level, fear, panic, judgment, any kind of discomfort level, the more intense it is, the more potent a healing opportunity it is. And by that, I mean the choices that you make in that very intense moment are choices that really set your directions. So click on the link beneath and take advantage of this special offering. I do have some really fun things coming up in the next week or two as far as workshops, just, an hour session here or there for large groups, because the more of you that there are on the call, the more potent it is for everybody. So by all means, if you want a private session, click on the link beneath, click on the link below, and pinch my adorable cheek. Sometimes I think faster than I can talk. And I would love to work with you soon. So I will see you on the internet, and take care, you magnificent you. Thanks for watching.